Hi everybody, I hope you're out there having a great day today. Welcome to my channel. As you will notice, it is embroidery, sewing, and quilting. I couldn't decide. I love them all. But on here, you will find me either doing embroidery, sewing, or quilting. I have 5 machines and I have a playlist for each one of those machines where I will show you tips or tricks on how I get through projects, okay? And if you want to read more about me, you can check out the About Me tab on my YouTube channel. When I'm not sewing or embroidery or quilting, I am with my family or I am outside playing with my dog. Bowser, up! Just like that, okay? So I hope you join me in this journey. I have a lot of projects that I've got to finish that I've purchased throughout the years, and now's the time to get them done. And you will always hear me say, I hope that you have a great day and happy stitching.